G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my completed car wash. Not just 2 bays, 6 bays. Where are the customers at? 6 bays, fully done, completed, renovated. We've got the banner open, the tiny little banner that nobody's gonna see. Look at that. Put some flags up to get some attention. Let me get a beautiful shot. Put some music over it and make it look nice. Guys are used to my I thought I stepped in something. Used to my little music video pan across the car wash entrances. So here we have the finished result. We just got done putting this lock on the door, just blocking out the phone number on the door. So that is done, super secure, same as the other car washes. That goes on like that, super secure. There's another lock under here, lock here. So we've got 4 locks. So good luck to anyone trying to get in. And then faceplate, nice and simple, big, $4 for 6 minutes, except token and quarters. We got the 10 functions. I put that, credit cards coming soon. I'm still waiting on them. Should be here next week. So we'll put the credit cards in and then everything is done. Super secure. 5 hoses in the bays. And we are gonna wash my truck and test out how everything works, because that's the name of the game. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
You sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
Let's wash this thing, test everything, see how it works. I adjusted things, see how it comes out. So let's begin, shall we? Start with the tire cleaner.
Look at that. How beautiful comes out.
Scrub it up, baby in the tub.
Look at that. Beautiful.
It's all right. Alrighty, 2 tires are good enough.
What is next?
The grease is the same thing. Ready for it?
Ready. Let's do it.
Triple foam.
Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. There you go. Look at the color.
The first few seconds it kind of spits a little bit. So yellow, then
That's it.
that's it. It's a little runny, I could thicken it up.
There you go.
Make those minor adjustments again.
There you go.
Again, it's not perfect, exactly where I want it, but
It can get there.
it's good enough for now. Kind of cool, right? The triple foam.
Yeah, I like it.
There we go.
There you go.
The birthday cake.
Yeah. You wanna cut the pie?
Yeah.
The cake?
Alright, what's next?
What's up? That's triple foam. Triple foam.
So we're doing the high pressure soap now. And it's funny, a customer, he was pulling out and he saw what we were using and he said, "What's that?" So that's why you yelled out triple foam, right?
Yeah.
Pressure's really good, brand new tap pumps, I love it.
How many PSI do we have?
About 1100.
1100. Leave a comment. Do you think it's enough?
Yeah. Relax my arm.
Okay. Damn, bro. Big buck, boom, 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 back down.
It's the high pressure soap.
Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
Again, not a crazy amount and not a cheapskate amount. Just a good amount, you know, where
Yeah. What's next?
soap brush.
That's beautiful.
Let's see.
Look at that.
Okay, so I didn't adjust it 100% right. I got to adjust it a little better.
All right, let's put it in your
That's
truck.
why we're here.
Wow, look at that.
I mean, there's lots of soap, and when it's on the truck, it looks good. It's not like customers are like, oh, let me see how it comes out. Oh, that's not that good. But, you know, I guess I'm just being fussy. Either way, it's a lot of soap, I think.
Yeah. Get
Maybe
it
I
on the
can-
ground.
Maybe I can tone it back a little bit in a couple of months once the customers love it. But again, with this much soap, it's going to take them even longer to rinse it off with the water. So get my gist, Edwin.
Yeah.
My gist.
Yeah.
Let's check wax. 3, 4, 5, 6. So it took about 6 seconds to come out.
There you go. Look at that, beautiful.
I think it's a pretty good amount. You know, any more, it's probably too much. Smells good. Can't really complain about that. I ran out of time. Good thing I got my handy dandy remote.
There you go. Very nice.
Let me quickly rinse it. I put that there because I seen a few customers come in on my cameras. They would look and then they would leave. And I know it's because we didn't have the credit card. So if I put that there, they know they're coming soon. So they're going to come back, you know, soon.
Are you sure? Yeah, he's sure.
Now we're going to do the spot free, and for those of you who watched my last video, you will know that the spot free motor and pump booster that died after a couple of minutes, so I got a new one. So now it works again. I'm very happy with the spot free pressure because my other car washer is really weak. This one's probably 200 psi, so I'm pretty happy with it.
Damn, look at that.
The city water here isn't too bad anyway. But with a really good spot free system, it's going to dry completely spot free.
Can't even tell in Tacoma, too old.
No, Someone's just getting started. Texas edition.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's the spot free, and then of course we have the air dryers, and you'll notice.
Damn, look at that.
So there you have it. That's how the stuff at my car wash works, my brand new car wash. You guys watched the whole journey of me and Edwin renovating the whole thing over 2 months. And this is the final result. So very happy with it, couldn't be happier. And if you're in the area, come check it out, Fontana, California.
Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching.